Welcome to something truly rare, a mid-century modern home by Hoover and Hill set on 5 unspoiled acres in Lincoln, Massachusetts. If you're drawn to architecture that connects you with the land, this one will speak to you. From the moment you step into the courtyard-style layout, you're surrounded by views of natural stone and trees. Inside, you'll find cathedral ceilings, stone floors, 2 fireplaces, and walls of glass that capture the serenity of nature. This isn't a move-in ready home. It's a project, a chance to restore a true architectural gem. But for the right buyer, this 5-acre property offers something that's hard to find anymore: space, integrity, and timeless design.